Hey, this is Lynn. I just got an email a couple weeks ago talking about the subject that we're going to be on this Friday on our webinar at 2 o'clock Friday, November 20th. I wanted to go ahead and read it to you and see if you can relate to this young lady that's an ERO in our industry. The email says, I could definitely use some help. I have used People's Income Tax School for several years. This year I decided not actually have a class where students had to adhere to a schedule. It seems like people are so busy. I thought offering online classes through People's would be best. I was only charging what it cost me. I wasn't doing this to make a profit. I just needed to gain some preparers out of it. I had about 6 people contact me, but no one was interested. Well, 2 were, a mother and a daughter, but they couldn't even afford it. I have a gut feeling that a few of those that contacted me were from other offices checking us out. So at this point, I don't feel a tax school is the answer. And quite honestly, I hate, strong word, but truthful, teaching class. I am not a teacher. I feel our best bet is to try to find seasonal preparers. That is truly what we need. Many of the hours I put in this year and the last several years is because there was no one but myself that was available and knowledgeable enough to prepare the type of returns I was working on. I love my job most of the time. I just can't continue spending 12 hours a day with clients, working on drop-offs for another 3 hours at night, and managing 6 or more employees. It's made me start dreading tax season on April 16th. With all this in mind, do you have any advice? Well, Cindy, my advice is to go ahead and be on this webinar Friday. We're going to talk about hiring, how to pick the right person, and a sure-proof way of training them to be knowledgeable in your office. So if you can relate to Cindy, or if this sounds like something that you need help with, please be sure to be on this phone call. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.